Again, set. Racing Jazz is started. Call B-Boy break quick. Let us start. Air flight moving up on the outside. Minor cutter. Storm up. Moving up down on the inside to take the lead. And going along for the first turn is Storm up. Takes command by about 2 lanes. Air flight in second. Minor cutter is racing in third. Kilig. Call B-Boy. Then next on line is the Anaslav, while Safeguard is the early trailer. By about 8 lengths of the leader, half-mile distance they traveled. Will be Storm Apo by about 2 lengths, and in second, Air Flight Mino Cutter alongside third. Then next on line, Kiligian Slab. Now moving upon the outside, Call B-Boy, while Safeguard is still racing in less. And at the far turn, we have a Storm Apo enjoying a length lead. Air Flight is on the outside, Mino Cutter now trying to get closer in third, and in fourth comes Jonas Love. Kilig, Call B-Boy, while Safeguard still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. Will Storm Apo now racing away by about 6 lines of Air Flight in second. Down on the inside is a Mino Cutter. Last 75 meter runs Miller Ubaldo on Storm Apo. Air Flight, Mino Cutter, then comes Ian Aslav, Safeguard, Call B-Boy, and Kilig.
Six source.